What is economics? Etymologically speaking, the word economics comes from the two Greek words, oikos, which means an extended family unit that consists of the house, members of the family, slaves, farmland, and all property, and nomos, which means management, law, or principle. Thus, oikonomos literally means the management of the hearth and home, or the management of the family accounts. Over time, economics has developed from being about how to keep the family accounts into the wide-ranging subject of today. Today, economics is formally defined as a social science directed at the satisfaction of needs and wants through the allocation of scarce resources, which have alternative uses. Put differently, economics is the study of how the productive and distributive aspects of human life are organized. On the one hand, production includes the activities that result in the goods and services that satisfy people's needs and wants. On the other, distribution includes the ways society makes goods and services available to people. We refer to these social arrangements as the economy or the economic system, and this is broadly speaking the focus of economics. It is important to note that the purpose of economics is to understand how an economic system works, to assess its strengths and weaknesses, and to resolve economic problems. Economic systems are fundamentally relationships among economic actors, such as employer and worker, or consumer and seller. A common way of characterizing the tasks of any economic system is to refer to a set of economic decisions every society must make, for example, what goods and services are to be produced or provided, how are these goods and services to be produced or provided, and who is to receive the goods and services. The study of economics is generally divided into two disciplines, namely, microeconomics and macroeconomics. On the one hand, microeconomics focuses on how individual consumers and firms make decisions. These individual decision-making units can be a single person, a household, a business or organization, or a government agency. Analyzing certain aspects of human behavior, microeconomics tries to explain how they respond to changes in price and why they demand what they do at particular price levels. Microeconomics tries to explain how and why different goods are valued differently, how individuals make financial decisions, and how individuals best trade, coordinate, and cooperate with one another. The topics in microeconomics range from the dynamics of supply and demand to the efficiency and costs associated with producing goods and services. They also include how labor is divided and allocated, how business firms are organized and function, and how people approach uncertainty, risk, and strategic game theory. On the other hand, macroeconomics studies an overall economy on both a national and international level, using highly aggregated economic data and variables to model the economy. Its focus can include a distinct geographical region, a country, a continent, or even the whole world. Its primary areas of study are recurrent economic cycles and broad economic growth and development. Topics studied include foreign trade, government fiscal and monetary policy, unemployment rates, the level of inflation and interest rates, the growth of total production output as reflected by changes in the gross domestic product, or GDP, and business cycles that result in expansions, booms, recessions, and depressions.